Hi, this afternoon we're going to go through the onboarding process for your suppliers and how you can get them to get their details in and up to date. So we've just set up a sample one for you to run through as a demonstration. So if I'm on personnel supplier list, the sample one we've set up for you is here. If we click into the supplier, we need to make sure that a username selected for them and a password, the company name, all these fields that have got OE, which is required for them to do their onboarding. Obviously, an email address, the supplier type dictates what questions they get, and also when they're complete, this is the person who will get an email to say that their onboarding is complete, so we can go through and then add, once we've checked the details, we can go through and add the approved date. So I'm just going to submit this to update, and then I'm going to click this link to send an onboarding email. Okay, so now if I pop to my emails, I've got an email that says, "Dear Tony Tyler, welcome to Bob the Builder. Please see below your details about your engagement as a supplier. There's a username and password," and they can click the onboarding link. So we've got Tony 123, Tony 123. Then basically they can work through this process, update their details, complete the assessment questions, so about quality, safety, environmental systems, adding their certificates of insurance, any safe work method statements, licenses, etc. They go submit here. Then they can add their insurances. Once they're done there, they can go to the safe work method statements. They can add any safe work method statements here. If they're using any chemicals on your site, then they can add the SDSs in here. Now, if they have staff working on your site that you require tickets and licenses for and that sort of stuff, you can add them in here. When you add them in here, this means they can have a basic login, so that they can do field work basically straight in the system, just like any of your other field work employees. Once we've added them in, we can then go and add their training in. And once we're done with that, we can hit onboarding complete.